Hi guys! Good morning! Yes! Happy Sabbath day! Happy Saturday to everyone! So today is Saturday, May 2nd. We are here in River Valley. GL, where are we? Huh? River Valley. So ayan yung background. River. And then, look at that. Hi, Papa. So, walang works Papa today. Walang overtime. So, he's with us. And then, I brought this in Amazon. Ayan. Magkano ba to? It's almost $50, guys. And then, it's free kasi, points ko lang yan sa mga resibo. Okay? So, if you want to learn more about the receipts na i-upload mo, and then you'll get points, and it will become money, a cash. So, let me know if you have questions about receipt jar. So, receipt jar, nirecommend lang din yan ng kumari ko. So, ayan, nagkaroon ng free na toddler chair si GL, pang tawag nito, pang picnic. Ayaw naman niya umupo. Gusto niyang maggandong sa akin. Ayan, naggandong siya. So, dito kami nag-breakfast. Paggising ni GL, nag-prepare kami, and then, umalis na kami. Nag-drive muna kami from our apartment din dito dun sa kalsada. Kasi kung maglakad kami from our apartment to here, it will take us like maybe 40 minutes. Nakakapagod din. Pero yung nilakad namin malayo-layo na din. So, ayan guys. Look at that. Ang ganda ng view. Oh, GL, are you done drinking your yogurt? Can you say hi? Hi! What is that? Oh, it's a bird! Can you say hi to bird? Yan guys. Mahulog si GL. Bye! God bless everyone.